Hi everyone, my name is Irfan Sultan and are watching my YouTube channel, Health Tips. Let's start maintaining a healthy lifestyle in 2025 doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with your plate, fill half with colorful fruits and veggies. Think vibrant salads and refreshing smoothies. The other half, lean proteins like chicken or beans paired with whole grains like quinoa. And don't forget healthy fats. Avocados and nuts are fantastic for your brain and keep you satisfied. Now let's talk exercise. Even a busy schedule allows for quick workouts. A simple 10-minute stretch in the morning gets your blood flowing. During breaks, try some desk exercises or take the stairs instead of the elevator. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate activity 4 times a week, and you're on the right track. Preventive health care is essential. Regular checkups can catch issues early, and with telehealth, you can consult doctors from home. Keep an eye on your mental health too. Meditation and mindfulness can work wonders. Hydration is key. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily and skip the sugary drinks. Finally, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night and create a calming bedtime routine. Small changes lead to big results, so let's embrace a healthier lifestyle together.